masasabi ko ito na siguro yung malalang cravings ko. Wala pa ako natatapos na games, pero kung ano-ano ng games binili natin. Ito pa lang siguro na laro ko ngayon na enjoy ko. Asa na yon? Ito, ganda rin to eh. Suntukan to, suntukan. Kung maganda tong luma na to, siguro yung latest nito mas astig. Try na lang natin. Sleeping Dogs. Continue. Yan yung karakter natin, oh. Di na ako nagdamit para astig.
That Jackie Ma is a real pest. He came by collecting money for Winston Chu yesterday. He would never do such a dirty Ming sold me a jacket and said it was from Chen Yan Sui. He lied to me. What the fuck? What do you think of dry seawater? What's it do?
Re-report tayo sa mga ano natin, mga tropa.
My man Wayne, he's done good. He restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Same as
Mga
everyone.
Yakuza yata to.
Pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes will.
Dog
Right now it's
Eyes.
his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
Mukhang eto muna yata, dito muna ako mag-focus.
Take a few of the
Focus
guys
ako
with you
dito
back.
matapos. Eto muna tatapusin ko.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro
Nako.
Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes is sent on you. We're taking the route, not declaring war. You can ask
Bas pa pinadala sa akin. Wala ba dyan maliit-liit? Ah, lapit lang.
I'll take this one. Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass.
Who are you?
Sinuntok.
Wait, hold on, I'm good.
Ayos to ah.
We're going after Dog
Inaano ko, binababa ko
Dog Guy came after us.
makikipagsuntukan sila.
Plain and simple. What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tall after us? Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for Lee.
Lusot yan oh, wrong way na dinaanan ko.
Nobody's going to fuck with each other.
Siga naman tayo eh. Uy! Pakyas! Uy! Banking, oh, baba.
Hey, you haven't paid.
Ay, kasali na ako.
This is our stop now.
Patay. Ito. Buhay ka pa. Uy, uy, wag yan. Bawal yan. Uy, bawal yan. Ay, uy. Dali niya ako dun ah. Tado ka. Naray.
Yeah, fuckers.
Ano, laban pa?
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, dog eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston. I don't know Winston.
Pull over, I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my rope before you finished picking your nose. Winston must be recruiting dumbass peasants from across the border. You never seen a car before? Go back to your mule before you get hurt.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed now?
Everybody laugh but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and dog eyes is going to cut you into little pieces. You won't find
Iyaharas ko ba siya o ano?
dog eyes for it.
Hey, listen. This route is mine. You wanna drive the Dog Eyes route? Move to one of the action wheels.
I don't pay twice for the same road.
You know what? You're taking your life in your own hands. You're gonna pay, funny guy.
Don't lose the target lang eh.
Try my route.
You're gonna regret this. Get out of here. I'm taking your passengers.
Okay.
到底发生咩事啊？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change.
Ayun na yata yun. Oo nga.
Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知生一生我冇咗幾多錢啊？
Ano ba yan?
This is Dog Eyes World. 你老味。
哇！你做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
You can't drive this world. Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken.
Naharas na tuloy ako. Nadali na ako ng mga gang oh. Pinapasabog nila yung ano ko. Yan, sabog na yun.
你冇機會啊！
Let me off! I don't want to be a statistic!
Kailangan ko sila matakasan para makabalik ako sa mission. Kaso may umahabol sa likod. Ayun po. Dapat makaalis ako sa bilog. Sa site nila. Wala na tuloy ako sa ano ko sa mission. Kailangan ko itong pasabugin eh. Hintayin ko nga. Sabog.
做咩有啲咁嘅報應啊？
Get out this world. Where are the police?
Just relax.
Tumawag na raw ng pulis. Ayun na. Nice, okay na. Okay na. Bumalik na yung ano natin.
Never drives like this.
Okay na, magdadahan-dahan na ako. Oy! Sorry. Pababain kita eh. Hindi. Nabangga lang.
Please don't do that.
Okay. Dahan-dahan na ako dito. Yan. Mission success na to. Oh, baba. Grabe. Banggaan.
Driving the Simsang Shui route, are you?
Yun, mission complete. Grabing aksidente.